Hi, welcome. My name is Dan, co-owner of Legacy Homes Real Estate. If you've been thinking about real estate investing, we put on a workshop just for you. The first series that we're talking about is actually Real Estate Investing 101. This workshop is going to cover a variety of different topics, how you could be able to get into the real estate investing world with as low as 0% out of your pocket, as well as to be able to expand your current real estate portfolio with the new laws that recently have just passed. We'll cover a variety of different topics for a new investor as well as a seasoned investor. So please, if you're thinking about interested in real estate or possibly investing, come join us at this workshop. It's put on just for you. So seating is limited, so make sure you reserve your seat. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we do look forward to seeing you there. Take care, bye-bye.